Want a rock-solid live stream setup for your church that never expires? In the next few minutes, I will show you how to download, install, and activate a vMix lifetime license, step by step, so your services never stop streaming. Let's get right in. Download the file using the link in the description below. Open the downloaded archive with WinRAR, then extract the file as I'm doing now. Double-click on vMix 24 to run the setup. Right-click on vMix and choose Open File Location. In the licenses folder, copy the license file and paste them into the folder you have opened earlier. When prompted, click Replace and then Continue. Close the folder. I'll also leave a link in the description showing you how to live stream to Facebook and YouTube using vMix. If this helped, hit on like and subscribe for weekly church media tutorials. Click the vMix icon to run the software.